You and your partner are both working, both bringing home a paycheck. Maybe you're even making decent money, 60K, 80K, 100K combined. And yet, at the end of every single month, you look at your bank account and wonder, where did it all go? You're not alone. In fact, 78% of Americans, including households earning six figures, live paycheck to paycheck. And the scary part? Most of them have no idea why. Today, I'm going to show you exactly why two incomes still aren't enough, and more importantly, what you can do to actually change it. If you're new here, this channel is about giving you the real, unfiltered truth about money. No fluff, no get-rich-quick schemes, just the stuff that actually moves the needle. So if that sounds like what you need, make sure you subscribe. Let's get into it. Here's the thing most financial advice misses. The problem isn't how much you earn, it's the gap between what comes in and what quietly leaks out. When you have two incomes, something psychological happens. You feel financially safe, so you upgrade the apartment. You get two car payments instead of one. You stop tracking the small stuff because, hey, there's another paycheck coming Friday. Economists call this lifestyle inflation. Every time your income goes up, your spending rises to match it, sometimes even faster. The raise you celebrated last year, your lifestyle already absorbed it. And that's before we even talk about the dozens of invisible drains that bleed a dual-income household dry every single month. Let's break down where the money is actually going. Number 1, subscriptions on autopilot. Think about every subscription you're currently paying for: Netflix, Spotify, Amazon Prime, Hulu, Disney+, Apple One, maybe a meal kit service, a fitness app, a cloud storage plan. Each one feels like pocket change, but the average American household is now spending between $400 and $600 every single month on subscriptions, much of it on services they barely use. That's up to $7,000 a year charged quietly in the background while you sleep. Number 2, two car payments. This one hits dual-income households especially hard. Two jobs often means two cars, and two cars means two payments, two insurance bills, gas, maintenance, registration, and parking. The average household with two financed vehicles spends between $18,000 and $22,000 per year just on transportation. That is a staggering number when you say it out loud. Number 3, food spending without a system. When two people are busy, cooking falls apart, so you order delivery a few nights a week, grab lunch out, hit a drive-thru on the way home, coffee every morning. It feels normal because everyone around you is doing the same thing, but two professionals eating out regularly can easily spend $15,000 to $18,000 per year on food. Compare that to $8,000 to $10,000 if you were cooking most meals at home. That difference alone, that one habit, could be fully funding a retirement account. Number 4, credit card interest. The average American household carries over $8,000 in credit card debt. At today's average interest rate of around 22%, that's roughly $1,700 per year in interest charges, on top of the original spending. And here's what makes it insidious. Most of that debt didn't come from emergencies. It came from restaurants, Amazon, convenience, and things that felt small in the moment. Number 5, housing sized for status, not function. The average new home in America is now over 2,500 square feet, nearly 70% larger than homes in 1970, despite families getting smaller. More space means a bigger mortgage, higher property taxes, higher utility bills, more furniture, and more maintenance. A lot of dual-income couples are house-rich and cash-poor, spending so much on where they live that there's nothing left to actually build wealth. Now here's what ties all of this together, and this is the part most people skip over. None of this is happening by accident. Subscription services are designed to be forgotten. Car dealerships are designed to make financing feel affordable. Food delivery apps are designed to be frictionless. Credit card companies make more money the longer you carry a balance.
Every system around you is optimized to move money out of your hands and into someone else's. And when you have two incomes, when you feel financially comfortable, your guard comes down. You stop questioning. You stop tracking. The household budget isn't a boring spreadsheet exercise. It's the only defense mechanism you have against an economy that is actively working against you. So what actually changes things? First, audit everything. Pull up your last 2 bank statements and your credit card history. Write down every recurring charge. You will find things you forgot you were paying for. Cancel anything you haven't used in 30 days. Second, build one simple budget. You don't need a complicated system. You need to know 3 numbers: what comes in, what the fixed costs are, and what's left. That's it. The goal is awareness before optimization. Third, pay yourself first. Before the lifestyle spending, before the subscriptions, before the food delivery, move a set amount into savings or investments the day you get paid. Automate it so it's not a decision. Even $300 a month invested consistently builds serious wealth over time. Fourth, question the second car. I know this one is uncomfortable, but for a lot of households, this single change, eliminating 1 car payment, 1 insurance bill, 1 set of maintenance costs, frees up $700 to $1,000 per month. That's real money. 2 paychecks should be an advantage, and it can be, but only if you build a system that captures the money before the lifestyle does. The households that actually build wealth on average incomes aren't earning dramatically more than you. They're just leaking dramatically less. So the question worth sitting with tonight isn't, how do I make more money? It's, where is my money actually going, and is that where I want it to go? If this video gave you something to think about, share it with someone who needs to hear it. And I'll see you in the next one.